All the apartments have clear height of 10 feet and the living room, bedroom, dining area, lobby, kitchen have vitrified tiles of 800 by 1600 mm. Branded modular switchboards from Schneider has been used in all the apartments. This luxurious and lavish living room gives an easy access to the office space while being secluded to ensure maximum productivity during your high-powered meetings. The size of this office area is roughly 8.5 by 8 feet. This L-shaped modular kitchen is nearly about 8.5 by 11 feet, giving you an epitome of contemporary living with modern sophistication. There is a massive dryer balcony attached to this modular kitchen with a size of about 8.5 by 5 feet that can easily equip your washing machine as well as your dishwasher, where this entire balcony has been equipped by anti-skid tiles for floors and dado. All the bedrooms in every apartment have been designed in a very luxurious, spacious and thoughtful manner to give you your peace and tranquility after you had a hard day. Master bedroom comprises of around 14 by 11 feet, giving you an attached balcony with a massive size of 6.5 by 6.5 feet. And the best part is giving you a direct view to Balewadi High Street. Let me show you that every room in every apartment has an 8 feet UPVC windows, giving you a clear, relaxed and beautiful Pune views. The master bedroom washroom comprises of 6.5 by 7.5 feet approximately, giving you every washroom is having 1200 by 600 mm dado and the flooring is of 600 by 600 mm, giving you a luxury CP fittings from Grohe, while the ceramic fittings are from the American Standard. As you see, the second master bedroom comprises of around 11 by 14 feet with an attached bathroom of 6 by 6 feet. Every bedroom has huge windows to give you ample amount of sunlight and fresh air. All the bedroom and bathroom have flush doors with Europa locks and with the height of approximately 8 feet. As you enter the foyer, you can witness this massive, enormous bedroom comprising of around 16 by 12 feet with an attached bathroom of 6 by 8 feet. This entire bedroom has huge windows to give you ample amount of sunlight and fresh air. So this spot is perfect for your seclusion and space.